Hello boss babes, welcome back to Melanated Nails. We're gonna get right into the video and we are teaching you how to take off these press-on nails so that you can snap them back on. Okay, so right now I'm putting cuticle oil, olive oil in the water to take them off. So before I do that, I put cuticle oil around my cuticles at like so. Then I rub them in, get them in there, rub it real well, okay? Rub it real good. And so now I put them in the water, soak them in for 15 minutes. And I forgot to tell y'all, the water must be warm. I forgot how long I warmed this water, but y'all know what warm water is. Y'all know what it feels like. So just put it in warm water and oil and soak that bad boy up, okay? So now that it's done, we take out our hands. And as we take out our hands, we finna get into it. We are using the cuticle pusher and we are gently lifting up the sides of the nails. Just keep doing that for all the nails. So now that we've taken off all our nails, we are going to get into getting the glue off. So the glue is now tacky. So we soak it in for a little bit and then we take them out. And we can either take them out with the cuticle pusher or y'all can, if y'all want, y'all can file them down. Sometimes I file them down, but because it was tacky, I just kind of scraped it off. So it wasn't that bad, but to be faster, you could file them off. So now y'all see we took off the glue. Now we're wiping off the residue. And now we push back our cuticles, push, and then we put our cuticle oil, moisturize those cuticles, that nail bed, okay? We have healthy nails over here. Just because we wear nails does not mean we don't have healthy nails, okay? Okay. Thank you guys for watching, and let me know in the comments what you guys want to see next. And look, y'all, our nails are still intact, ready for our next set, okay? Bye. Like, comment, and subscribe.